Most people think getting rich means earning more money. But the truth is, it's about how you manage what you already earn. Let me show you a powerful trick. Imagine every dollar you get has a job. One part goes to needs like rent, food, and bills. Another part goes to wants like dining out or streaming services. And the most important part? Savings and investments. That's the money your future self will thank you for. Even if you earn just $2,000 a month, setting aside even $400 for savings can completely change your financial future. And here's a pro tip. Automate it. Use an app or your bank to automatically transfer savings before you even see the money in your account. This way you build wealth without relying on willpower. Remember, it's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. So, are you ready to take control of your money today?
Subscribe to my channel